Hi, welcome to everyone. If you search on Google, you will get many AI websites, but I will introduce you some AI websites which are very useful in our life according to my experience. Watch these videos without skipping.
I have created the video you are watching now with the help of AI website. Let's take a look at how this video was created. Search DID on Google. This is the website that you will see this page first, and you should open it first. To access this website, you first log in with a Mailid. I am already logged in with a Mailid, so I am logging in. To create a new video, you click on the plus button on the left side. From this you can select an AI present of your choice. I select one presenter. You can type your desired text in this column called script, which is shown on the right side. Here we can type the text in any language we like. I have selected a language from this. From this visible voice button, we can select female voice or male voice. Here I am selecting female voice as I have selected female presenter. After that, click on Generate button, which is found at the top of this web page. Then generate. Wait for a few minutes. See how fast the video we created is generated.
Hi, how are you?
We can download this video, or we can easily share the video to others. You can look at the plans given on this web page and purchase the one you like. What attracted me to this website is that if we want to create a YouTube video or a presentation video, we can create a video very quickly without the help of a camera, studio setup or anything else. If you like this video, then please subscribe my channel and share this video so that others can benefit from it. Thank you. Bye.